Nini, happy birthday. I just want to let you know that you are an inspiration to all of us, especially to me, for showing us to be strong despite ka mga naagyanta sa life. Thank you so much, Gid, for showing us nga may positive, Gid, nga outcome ang every negative experience naton. Sa childhood naton, we have not Gid, enjoyed much a company kay isa kag isa, but now that we are all grown ups, we felt nga there is so much love between all of us and among all of us. Ang thank you, Gid, sa pagtindog bilang Nini, bilang Nining Beth, bilang magurang kanamon tanan. And thank you, Gid, sa good examples nga gintao mo kanamon. Continue being strong, continue facing the challenges in life nga may kaisog, of course, and with Janet around, I believe nga you will continue to achieve more sa kabuhi pa. Love you.